All right, this one's out of Napa, and there's no sound on this video, so it makes it kind of weird to watch. But apparently, the bad guy here walked into a Walmart, smashed a display case open with a hammer, got some ammo, and then chucked the hammer at one of the employees and hit him with it. And then gets in his car and hauls ass, and then there's a chase, and um, this is kind of the outcome. And apparently, somebody from this guy's family, I guess, called and said he was suicidal. But let's take a look and see what happens. So I'm gonna go with the vehicle right here, the car being the suspect vehicle. The pickup trucks are helping out a little bit. Nope. And we have confirmation. Oh, good job, Mr. Pickup Truck Guy. Man, that never happens. People get blue light fever and seize up, but never get out of the way, right? Man, he let this guy get a jump on him pretty good. I mean, he's way out in front of him. Oh, we're going to turn down a service road. That's always uncomfortable. Oh! Nope, it's locked, buddy. So there's two shots there, it looks like. Oh! Lawn chair. Got beat. Look at the tag. 1, 2. Hands are up. So this one view, and I don't like not being able to see both body cam and dash cam, and it really sucks not being able to hear because you can't see where everybody is positioned and how his movement affected the officer's decisions to shoot. But apparently, judging on where those two initial shots came from, one of the deputies or officers rather was standing off over here to what would have been his 12 o'clock when he got out of the car, and then as he turned, the ensuing shots, of course, folded him up pretty quickly. This is tough to critique or break down because there's no sound and you're only getting this myopic view of it. Um, but yeah, I guess the moral of the story here is don't throw hammers at people and don't point shotguns at people. I guess would be the overarching theme here. Anyway, if you saw something I didn't see, drop it in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to the channel so we can keep this moving. You guys be good. If you can't be good at it. See you soon.